Good morning, my dear students. Today we shall begin with chapter questions. Let's start. Some questions can be answered with the words yes or no, often followed by a short phrase. They are called yes or no questions. Yes or no questions begin with verbs such as is, am, are, has, have, can, would, was, and were. These all are helping verbs. Now, if I talk about helping verbs, look at these examples. My ring is made of gold. I am coming home in an hour. In these sentences, verbs is and am have come before a main verb. A verb that comes before the main verb is helping verb. So, is and am are helping verbs. Helping verbs are used before verbs that end in ed or ing. Now, in this chapter, the most important thing is how we make questions from statement. For example, the first statement is I am smart. Now, to make a question from a statement, what we do is that we put verb before the subject. So, in this sentence, the verb is am. So, am goes before the subject, it becomes am I smart? And you remember, we have to put a question mark. He is here. So, here what is the helping verb? Is. Is will go before the subject and here the subject is he. So, the question will be is he here? So, we saw here that the verb comes before the subject and we have to add a question mark at the end. Let's talk about yes or no questions. Are they your neighbors? No, they are not. Is she in class 3? Yes, she is. Now, WH questions. A WH question begins with one of the question words who, what, when, where, which, or why. They may also begin with how. WH word asks about what? Things, name, activities. What is wrong with the computer? Who? People. Who told you about the party? When? Time. When does the next train leave? Which? Options. Which hat looks better on me? Where? Places. Where should I keep my jacket? And so on. Let's complete the questions. What, who, how, and where. What is your name? Who is she? How old are you? Where is your bag?